Teaching you. You have to. Limang taong gulang. 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 How can you not say it?
Because I don't know.
That's why Mom is teaching you.
But it's too hard. Mommy, when I talk, Mommy, I can't speak Tagalog because my neck hurts. That's why I did a different one. It's a hard one.
But you have to. And can you say, ako si?
Like, I go see.